For the SolidWorks sweep feature, model edge and face can be used as a profile and path. So let's look at this simple example. I have already created a sketch that will be used as a profile. So let's use this swept boss base and select that profile. And for the path, I'm going to use this model edge. So selecting that, and because we have the profile in the middle of a path, we have these three options here. So direction 1 and the other direction, or we can have both. Or another option is because these edges are all connected tangentially, we have an option. If you expand the option, there's a tangent propagation option. So if you click on it, it goes all the way. If I say OK, it'll create the geometry. So this is swept boss. I'm going to delete this feature. Let's use this swept cut. So this is a negative feature. So instead of adding material with swept boss base, you can remove the material, but these are essentially the same feature. So for the profile, I select the sketch, and again, I select the edge and option, tangent propagation, and this volume will be removed. I get the result. Now let's look at another case where I have already made this small feature there, and I use this swept boss. And profile can be also a face. So in this case, I just select this face as a profile. And path, I select this edge as a path. Or you can select a path that is remote from this profile. And again, I'm going to select tangent propagation and create this swept feature.